So every so often, I see something on the internet that I got to do right away, and I just feed it into the show, and I blow everything else off. That's this recipe. I don't know what hit me about this recipe. Somebody asked in one of the smoking forums, the meat smoking forums, has anybody ever like smoked the chicken and smoked all the vegetables before making chicken noodle soup? And I'm like, that might be interesting to do. So I immediately ran out and I bought me some chicken and all this stuff to make chicken noodle soup. And I'm going to try it. I'm going to take you outside. We're going to put all the chicken out on the grill. We're going to smoke it. We're going to smoke the vegetables. It's going to be awesome. Come on in close. I'll show you what I'm doing. Yes, I know there's a lot of chicken, not using it all for the soup. I always like to make extra food so that we can have it for more than one meal. So some of this chicken is going to be smoked for the soup. I'm going to peel the skin off so that the smoke penetrates the meat better. I've got onion, celery, and carrots. We're going to put that in this basket so we can smoke our vegetables at the same time. Okay, guys, so I got my smoking tube right there. Going to light that up. My chicken right there, my vegetables right there. Let's get this thing started. Today we're doing 265. I don't know why 265, doesn't really matter. Oh, it's smoking good. Let's close her up. There we go. All right, we'll see you in a little bit, guys. Okay, so the vegetables have been smoked. I'm going to cut up the celery now into pieces. The carrots already cut up into pieces. A little dried out. Onions still look pretty good. I'm going to dice everything up and get it ready for the pot of chicken broth. Look how beautiful it smoked that meat so good. The meat's still smoking. So this is what I'm using for the soup. I have all the other chicken on the smoker because that smoking tube is still going. So I killed the heat and I'm just letting it get more and more flavor into the meat. But right now, we're gonna start breaking this up. Let this rest a bit first, let it cool. You don't wanna dry out the chicken, so let it rest, even dark meat. So people ask me all the time, what's the difference between chicken stock and chicken broth? I use chicken stock because it also has vegetable flavors in the stock. Chicken broth is literally just chicken broth. So let's open this up, put in all of our chicken stock. A little bit of salt. Here's some black pepper. Do a little oregano. A little bit of thyme. A little bit of garlic. So now I'm going to put in our veggies. There's some celery and some carrots. Put in some of our chopped up onions. Stir it all up. The last piece of the puzzle, obviously, chopped up chicken that's been smoked. If you feel any hard pieces, don't let them go in. Put them off the side. You want all the tender goodness with that hickory smoke flavor running right through it. You're going to bring this to a boil first, then we're going to simmer it. Okay, so the broth is done. I got boiling water here because we're going to use our extra wide egg noodles, okay? So, I didn't have scissors, sorry. So we're going to put that in the boiling water. We're going to cook these and then meet me right here with a bowl and a hungry tummy because we're going to put these two together and have the most amazing chicken noodle soup. I'm so excited. Okay, before we make our soup, I just want you to look at the broth and look how rich it is. Chicken noodle soup is usually a light yellow, but look at this. This smoke and the herbs we put in there, it's like a dark, it's got a nice dark color. The aroma throughout the house is amazing. Tammy came out of her office upstairs. She's like, it smells great. Alrighty, start off with a little bit of pasta, not too much, just some noodles. The soup. Look at that. First of all, I just wanted to see how beautiful that looks without the broth. And we're going to bring the broth over. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is going to make anybody cured in a minute. If you're not feeling well, if you're just looking for some comfort food, some of those cold days are hanging around still around the U.S. So let's give this a try. You guys ready? Here we go. That hickory smoke smells so good. Oh my goodness. You know what's really a kicker in this is the oregano. Try the oregano. I might throw basil in again, maybe some parsley, Italian parsley. That'd be awesome. How do you make your chicken noodle soup? And are you guys gonna try this? Are you gonna smoke all your stuff and then make a soup? You gotta try it. It's amazing. Home run. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.